AI is like a double-edged sword when it comes to your security. One side boosts productivity, the other might just slice through your data security. Free AI tools may seem like the dream come true, but here's the catch. They're often open source, which is tech talk for your secrets aren't safe here. Tossing sensitive company or personal info into these platforms is like shouting your passwords in a crowded room. Risky and regrettable. On the flip side, paid platforms like Copilot are the Fort Knox of AI, offering top-notch security, data encryption, and a strict "your data stays yours" policy. So before you dive into the AI pool, make sure you're swimming in the secure end. For more information, visit C&W Technologies website at www.cwnow.com, email us at ai@cwnow.com, or give our team a call at 772-287-5215.